Hello and welcome to Walking with Dean. As you can see, today we're on Ham Farm. We're going to start here and we're going to do the two creeks. So we're going to head off at that round of Faversham Creek and over to Oare Creek. Sorry, I forgot where I was then. Over to Oare Creek, and then we'll come back down this track, and walk back to my house, which is just over there. But you won't have to walk back to my house. We'll just walk round the creek. Right then, so we get going. Well, might as well catch this sun coming up. Right, is this another pirate ship? Who knows? But I've come across a problem. I might have to have a detour somewhere, I'm not sure where. Alright, here's the problem. I can't actually see him. Okie doke. Let's have a look. I'll get it down a bit. There's the problem. There's a cow and a calf on the track. She's looking at me. I don't want to go up there and distress them. There's another one looking at me in the field. And yeah. I may have to abort this mission. Years and years ago, when I was in the Scouts, we was at a camp. I went in the field, cow field. Wasn't nowhere near the cows, they was all huddled under this tree. And so we walked round, but we walked down on the downside, and all of a sudden these cows charged us. Whether they thought we'd bring them food or not, I don't know, but since then I've been very wary. I don't know what to do there. So they're all in the field as well. Moving along. I don't really want to move them along because I want to walk there. Shame it's right in the sun, even though it sun's lovely. Look at that. Okay. Oh, I've got to say I'm gutted. Totally gutted. I know some of you are saying, oh, just walk through that, you'll be alright. And like I say, since I was frightened of them in the first place. And plus they got calves, so I don't really want to upset them. Alright, the walk of shame, here we come. Hey, well, sod the walk of shame. Let's get the drone up. I could catch this morning sun, get some nice shots. I'll take some nice photos for you and make up for me being frightened of cows. But there you are. Alright, here we go. I'm just looking up the sky. There's two planes. They're quite close together, but one's higher up. Look pretty impressive, but drone can't catch them, you know, on the camera. Is that a nice picture? Right, let's just stop it a minute. Make sure the cows ain't creeping up on me. No, they're all fine. Alright. Okay. So we go higher. Oh, currently we're at 30 feet. 60. 100. Look at that. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you where I am. 260. It's 300. Legal legal height of one of these is 400 feet, and we're nearly there. Right, we're there. Right. Well, don't look nice in the morning sun. There's Abbey Street. brewery, or the old brewery even. There'd be the church. Around, that's the QE District School, or St Mary's is it called now. There's Westgate where we was flying the other day. Over back, yeah, Millfield there. There's the new estate over Love Lane, and what was Nova's. Right, got a bit bright in a minute. Back on the creek. Oh, the old cows are moving back, but they might have left me a bit late now. What's the time? Yeah, 5:30. Alright. There's me. You see me? Wave my arm with a long shadow. There's all them horrible scary cows. Can't see them really being washed out by the sun. You know what? I think, like I say, oh yeah, had a nice glint of the sun in. Must have been on the camera, on the lens. Oh, and again. Alright. Oh yeah, look, there's the old barns from the Abbey. Standard Key. The houseboats. There's a lot of people live on. Nice footage of a Union Jack there. I wonder Ukraine you play for. There we go. Oh, there's a nice thing. There you go. There we go, even. Look at that, nice reflection. Be nice later on when all the muck settled. Anyway, right, this is me definitely signing off. Oh, hang on, no. Let's show you the church. You know, I have to show you all the nice views of that church spire. And there it is. Yeah. It's nice, isn't it? Okay, me signing off for good this time. Hope you've enjoyed it. Sorry I never completed it, but there you are. Ciao.